Welcome to the Oriental Hotel here in Universal City. We are at Universal Studios Japan, my first visit. We decided to stay. This is located in CityWalk in Universal City, obviously, as you would guess by the name. And it's a relatively small hotel room, so it's not going to be one of our longer tours, but it is Japan, so smaller hotel rooms usually more of a normal thing. Hey, everybody. So there's your entry right there. There is a little space for some luggage. That little space. This feels somewhat. I know people in the comments are going to be like, "Oh, it's too small." Just did an interior stateroom, inside stateroom on the Disney Wish, and this is not wildly different. It may be laid out slightly better, honestly. So there is a place to hang some clothing up here. There's a fabric spray, along with that. Slippers, a brush for shoes. There is a shoe dryer also, which is great if your shoes get wet. It's a very Japanese thing. Probably need that more at Disney World, especially in the summer, right? And Universal Orlando, for that matter. Sorry, we don't do many Universal room tours. I'm not used to it. There's a nice full-length mirror here. Good amount of space here. It's a nice wide hallway. Air conditioning control is going to be here. You have a light switch here for the bathroom. The bathroom, I think, for a Japanese hotel is a pretty decent size. Toilet, there's the sink. Towels are over here. And we come in here. Here's the shower and tub. One and the same, which is not always a thing on this side of the ocean. Obviously, we have shampoo and body wash and conditioner. Nice big mirror, nice bright lights. There's an outlet over here next to the hair dryer. We've got toothbrush and razors and body towel, all sorts of things there, some cups. Here's our sink, garbage can, and of course, what everybody loves to see, the Japanese toilet, because of course it has the bidet and the spray and all of that functionality, which I wish we had in America because it's a wonderful thing. Then the Toto washlet, heated seat. They really know how to go to the bathroom here. They've really mastered it. We are what feels like centuries behind them on that. Okay. So here is the bedroom space. Again, obviously not very big. So we have the bed, which is it's good size. Definitely sleep two people comfortably. We've got some art on the headboard there. Always a fan of this. Not that this is a terribly big room, but who wants to get up, right? So you can control all of your lighting right from bed. And you can even control the brightness of that, which is great. And then we have a USB-C and regular USB and a standard outlet all sitting there as well. I just made a terrible dent in the bed. I still have to take photos. Disproportionate to the room is a really nice sized television. I'm never a fan. The Wish did the same thing, and the Wish is way more expensive than this hotel room is, where you have to look sideways in the bed to see the TV. Maybe people have their bedroom set up like that. I don't know, but that's not generally how I do it. So up here we have the coffee maker, the room phone. Of course, they still believe here in giving you water. It's gone away in America. Europe, it's still a thing too. We have our TV remote, and then lots of good stuff going on in here, including we have the Toshiba mini fridge. We have coffee supplies. We have tea and mugs and the teapot down here. This is a nice little thing they've done. They've got the power strip here, which has space for two more USBs, two more standard outlets as well. It's sitting on top of this extra cooling unit, which I assume because it's summer in Japan, maybe this isn't always here. So that air conditioning control over there controls that. And then there is this weird secondary freestanding unit out here. Again, that's my theory. We don't know for sure, but I'm guessing that. There's a tiny little table and a little chair out here in the corner. And then the cool thing for us, we actually got a pretty cool view of some of CityWalk here in Japan. So right above, there's all sorts of restaurants right downstairs. There's Bubba Gump, and there's convenience store Lawson's, and or Lawson. I'm caught myself doing what I hate when people do. They add the S, and you could see all the other hotels. The window could be a little cleaner, but all sorts of Universal City hotels all around us. It's a pretty fun view, and with the neon and everything going on, it's a lot of energy. It's fun. So here is the daytime view out of the room. It was so dark last night I couldn't tell, but the park is right there. It's in a good spot. I like that this is generally the cheapest of the bunch in Universal City. That's why we thought it was a good idea. We could have stayed a couple of train stations away, but I thought it'd be fun to stay in the middle of the action. And this was the cheapest. Before my iPhone decided to cut me off, I was saying this is the cheapest option actually at Universal Studios Japan in CityWalk. So I thought that would apply to many of you. But yeah, so there you go. Not very big, but well priced for location. Big enough. You don't need that many days to complete the park. So I think all in all, a pretty cool, fun option here. So thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe, everybody.